trip.
Nailog ko dito, ayan ko lang na.
No problem, you think you...
Ngayon, tatalunin natin siya.
Okay, 20 more to go.
Tatalunin natin. Video mo
Okay,
pa.
20 more?
Video?
Oo. Video mo.
20 more? Any?
Agora, si kasot lang natin ko. Log mo ning. 5 minutes sabi niya.
Okay, I got 3 player for 40.
Video.
Check it out. Check.
Check.
Check. Check. Check it out.
75.
Yan
75.
Kaya nang gagawin sa asenso eh.
75?
Yes, sir.
Ang tagal na kuha. Kaso, ang ginawa niya kasi, asenso to Gcash.
Ito direct naman eh.
75.
Yung problem.
It's too much.
Tagal na ako dito ano.
Aiko.
3 years.
75?
Yes, sir.
Naka-video ba?
Yeah, it's on video. 75.
Ang subli
Paul.
ka na, Ross. Parang ako mayagan.
Ano ba gabi? Ikaw dadala mo. Yung dadala ko.
Malod lang, may load lang din. Kasi load ko lagi natin.
Check it out.
Masundo ko nga, alas 4.
145. 145.
All in.
All in?
Yeah. I all in. 145?
145, all in. 145. Yep, all in.
Just got milk now.
Erase na.
Pocket tens? Oh shit, I missed. No. Tens.
Okay, I'll call.
You call?
Yeah.
Oh shit. You got milk big time. You got milk big
New
time.
high hand?
All in. I cover him.
Cover, okay.
You got milk big time. Thank you. Skills and luck. Skills and luck.
Sorry.
Thank you. Sorry.
Nice hand, bro.
Thank you, bro. Sorry you got milk there.
Tuis, I put into ice cube.
No.